Hi, I'm Pete Gardell. I'm from Stamford, Connecticut. I'm a general dentist. I've been in practice since 1989. Being a chairside dentist, zirconia came to the market. It was exciting. It was something new. But I'm going to be honest with you, I didn't like using it because I thought it was ugly. There were so many other great high-strength ceramics that we could use. But as time has gone on, I have now moved away from where, instead of just using it for a 3-unit bridge in the posterior, now I'm comfortable doing it on not only the second molar, but bringing it up towards the anterior because we have a beautiful, fast processing aesthetic zirconia, ZirCAD Prime. It's a great material that really brings great efficiency to the zirconia game. From super fast milling to super fast firing in the CS6 oven, it removes a lot of the roadblocks that stop me from incorporating this great material into my practice.